Hi folks, Nancy King here. I've been promoting my group personal training, my virtual group training program. And in my last video, I talked about some of the things that make it different. The real productive work-rest ratio we maintain, the compound moves we work with. I talk about form, I talk about safety, and I talk about accountability. You can't come into the session without me knowing you're there. You know I know, so it's really a really key component for accountability and consistency. With this video, I just wanted to take you through a few of the drills we might do to give you a sense of the products we use and how I cue throughout our work so that you can stay moving, again, productively and safely. So we begin with a brief warm-up. We're using really standard in-home products, dumbbells, fitness slides, exercise tubing, TheraBand, and folks, I can help you get hold of some of this if you're having trouble. I have links that can ship it out to you very quickly and affordably, but after our brief warm-up, we get right to it. By compound moves, I mean multiple muscle groups, multiple joints, lots of body parts moving at the same time. So we might start with a squat. So you might be just squatting currently, but I'd like to get more out of it. I want every minute to count. So in my world, we might squat and curl. Get extra movement, extra blood flow, extra aerobic capacity happening, right? Extra calories being burned. We might do a set something like that, maybe move it to something a little smaller. Maybe it's an overhead press. We're working the muscles around your shoulder, your delts, and your triceps. How would I cue you here? I tell you to fully extend those elbows. Get everything you can for your triceps. I cue you to bring those forearms down parallel. Fully extend, okay? We might do that. We might then move into a tricep move, an overhead tricep extension. Cueing you, keep those upper arms close to your head. Arms are moving parallel. Again, full extension for maximum range of motion that those joints can handle. Fully extend and then come as low as you can without those elbows flaring. And we finish those and we could go right back to the bigger moves. That might be one superset. We pepper our work with these little mini supersets. Moving on. Maybe we would do a lateral lunge. Maybe we would do lateral lunge repeaters. I'm cueing you to pivot with a flat back, protecting protecting your spine, protecting those little discs that cushion the vertebrae, right? Flat back, toes to the front, arms staying inside your legs, not drifting out. We want to stay in control. Maybe we go to the other side, same thing. Do a bunch, come back to center, put in a smaller move. Cueing you again. Try to align those wrists, elbows, and shoulders. If there's any impingement, reduce your range of motion. Keep those shoulders down. You don't want them creeping up. Maybe we move into a different piece of equipment. Love my slides. Maybe do like a sort of again, a lateral move, putting all the work in this front leg. Other side, maybe we put some arm moves in with it. Again, keeping productive, keeping productive. So guys, again, thanks for watching this. I don't want to take too much time of yours here, but you can imagine between the TheraBand, the resistance band, the work we do on the floor, it's constantly varied, constantly cueing you how to stay productive. Bicep curls, keep that upper arm in place so that we're really focusing and isolating the movement to your bicep. You can imagine on and on and on with our floor work for abdominal work. Move from the spine, not pulling from the neck. Planks, how important it is to have that neutral alignment. So often you see in planks or push-ups, the neck drooping, the head buckling, the hips buckling. So I really try to give you not just the verbal, but the visual feedback to keep you moving safely. And again, quick turnover, but you guys take whatever rest you need, whenever you need it, and then jump back in with us when you're fresh. So right now I've got my Monday, Wednesday, Friday group running at 7 a.m. and I'll continue to run that. But the new groups will be 7:15 on Tuesday and Thursday, 7:15 a.m. Tuesday and Thursday mornings, and then 9 o'clock on Monday and Wednesday. So I'm hoping to get a bunch of new folks in, and we'll all be starting at the same time so you can all learn the program or the routines together, and hopefully we'll be building up your skill level quickly. I'd love to have you check out a class. I'd love to meet with you, Zoom with you one-on-one if you want to see what we do or ask questions. And again, if this is something you think would be appropriate for your family or for a group of your friends, we can certainly create a time and an offering for you, a private session, so to speak, if the Zoom schedule doesn't work. So thanks again. I hope you take me up on the opportunity to Zoom in. And as always, please guys stay safe, stay well, and stay connected. Thank you so much.